Hey everyone, meet the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with a powerful brushless motor and LED display for easy control. This lightweight 5.3-pound vacuum offers 3 suction modes to handle everything from pet hair to hard floors efficiently. It features a detachable battery that provides up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode, perfect for quick or deep cleaning. The vacuum's 6-in-1 design includes multiple attachments like a floor brush with LED light and a telescopic tube for versatile cleaning around your home. With a 5-stage HEPA filtration system, it captures 99.99% of dust and allergens, ensuring fresher air. The upright stand design lets you store it anywhere without hassle. Plus, real-time LED alerts keep you informed about suction mode and dust cup status for a smooth cleaning experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.